Welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to blur a part of a video in CapCut. So first thing you have to do is open up your CapCut app. So once you open it up, you add in new and add in the video you want to use. So I'll just use this video. Click on add and you're going to click on this and you're going to click on effects. Click on effects, click on body, and you're going to search for this. So once you search for this, you're going to use this one right here because you'll be able to adjust. So once you're done, click on cancel, click on the tick, and you're going to make sure you adjust this. So once you adjust this, you're going to click on this video and scroll to duplicate. Once you see duplicate, you're going to also scroll down to see overlay. So once you see the overlay, you have to press it down and make sure they are on the same line. Click on this and you can see they're moving together. So you're going to click on this overlay video, scroll the way down to where you see marks. Click on marks and you're going to see circle. Click on this and you can see other places are blur except from the face, but since we're making a blur face, we're going to click on this, which is invent, and you're going to see it turned otherwise. So you can use this triangle or these arrows right here to actually adjust, not triangle, sorry, okay, you can see only my face and try to adjust it well. So once you're done, you're going to click on the tick and you can play the video. You can see, so if your face is moving and it does not move together, you can just click on this key right here and it's going to move with your face anywhere it goes to. So this is literally how to blur a part of your video in CapCut. If you find this guide helpful, give us a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.